Obviously, what has happened is a concern to every Nigerian. But at the same time, we have to accept in Nigeria or in all over the world, politics sometimes can create a situation of this kind of nature, of what happened. But this has given us two opportunities. One, to look at the security of the National Assembly itself, whereby I think Nigerian National Assembly is the most unsecure assembly I have seen in my life. Wherever I went to, there was good security. You can't just go in, you cannot access, you cannot go to offices. But now if you go to our offices, you will see, like my office yesterday, there are over 50 people waiting for me. I didn't give anybody any appointment. So this has probably influenced us and the leadership to sit down and critically examine the security of the National Assembly itself. So it's a positive development.